Which planet is called the sister of Earth? A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Mercury. Correct answer is B. Venus. Which river is referred to as the Ganga of India? A. Indus, B. Brahmaputra, C. Ganga. Correct answer is C. Ganga. Which is the largest cement producing state in India? A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Rajasthan. Which country is the largest producer of coconuts? A. India, B. Philippines, C. Indonesia. Correct answer is C. Indonesia. Where did the Chauri Chaura incident take place? A. Lucknow, B. Gorakhpur, C. Meerut. Correct answer is B. Gorakhpur. What is the average lifespan of a squirrel? A. 2 to 3 years, B. 6 to 10 years, C. 15 to 20 years. Correct answer is B. 6 to 10 years. Which country has the largest stockpile of weapons? A. Russia, B. USA, C. China. Correct answer is B. USA. Which Indian state is the largest producer of red chili? A. Maharashtra, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Karnataka. Correct answer is B. Andhra Pradesh. Which is the largest village in the world? A. Bani, India, B. Gangasagar, India, C. Gongle, China. Correct answer is A. Bani, India. What is the name of the Hindi-speaking robot? A. Mitra, B. Bhavna, C. Sanskrit. Correct answer is A. Mitra. Which state is the largest producer of potatoes in India? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Punjab, C. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world? A. Lake Victoria, B. Lake Baikal, C. Lake Superior. Correct answer is C. Lake Superior. Which country in the world has no temples? A. Saudi Arabia, B. Pakistan, C. Afghanistan. Correct answer is A. Saudi Arabia. In which country is there a 5-year punishment for abusing someone? A. Japan, B. UAE, C. Malaysia. Correct answer is B. UAE. When is Teachers' Day celebrated? A. The 15th of August, B. The 5th of September, C. 2 October. Correct answer is B. 5 September. Which country is known as the land of elephants? A. India, B. Thailand, C. Laos. Correct answer is C. Laos. Where is the Sun Temple located? A. Puri, Odisha, B. Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu, C. Nalanda, Bihar. Correct answer is A. Puri, Odisha. Where are the Elephanta caves located? A. Mumbai, B. Ajanta, C. Hyderabad. Correct answer is A. Mumbai. Which country has the crocodile as its national animal? A. Australia, B. Cuba, C. Egypt. Correct answer is B. Cuba. Neeraj Chopra is associated with which sport? A. Discus throw. B. Javelin throw. C. Shot put. Correct answer is B. Javelin throw. In which country is there a death sentence for killing a cat? A. Saudi Arabia. B. China. C. Thailand. Correct answer is A. Saudi Arabia.